Some days we succumb to laziness. Picking up on tasks seems difficult, and all we crave to do is leaning back and harking back to a more leisurely time. That's okay until, of course, we have a pile of work staring at us. What if we tell you that the right kind of foods has the potential to help wipe out the afternoon slump and provide you with day-long energy? Since stopping is no option in today's age of agility, we've listed food items that you must stock up to keep your energy meter in high gear. Before we take a look at these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so that you get notified of our latest content. Alright, let's dive into it. 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of amino acid and tyrosine. Eating them can help stimulate the body. Why hard-boiled? Because that makes for a healthier choice. 2. Mint. Mint is an aromatic herb and a constant in salads, mocktails, and even in plain water for daily detox. Wherever you add it, energy is guaranteed to come in gushes. What's more, mint has super laxative, digestion-soothing properties. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a rich source of vitamin B and iron, thus instrumental in perking up the energy. This leafy green is replete with antioxidants which cut stress hormones that leave you fatigued. 4. Beans. Beans have proteins, carbohydrates, and fiber in abundance. Eating them can help spark energy levels and stave off laziness at a time when a deadline intimidates. 5. Brown rice. Screaming carbs, right? Word to the wise, it's wrong to be panicky about eating carbs, more so when it's brown rice. It contains fiber and manganese that help to convert food into energy and keep you active all day long. 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds help in triggering bouts of energy because of their rich protein and fiber content. Plus, they are proven to effectively control blood sugar levels, thus keeping the energy bar high. 7. Lemon water. Dehydration can wear down your energy levels. Drinking plenty of water, preferably cold water, and don't forget to add a hint of lemon. It will hydrate and invigorate quickly, and the smell of lemon will come as a breath of fresh air. 8. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Being replete with protein, riboflavin, and manganese, almonds are proven to supplement energy levels and keep you full for a few hours. 9. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are chock full of fiber and protein and are also known to contain tryptophan, which supports serotonin production, the happy hormone. Plus, these are also known to bolster cognitive functions. 10. Salmon. Salmon is well known to have incredible omega-3 benefits. Eating it can replenish your body with many vitamins. Pair salmon with a bowl of brown rice, starch, to add to your energy levels while contributing to a healthy heart. 11. Lentils. Lentils are a rich source of proteins and fiber, not to forget potassium, iron, folate, and manganese. Consume 1/2 cup of lentils and see your energy soaring. If you don't have a thing for adding lentils in a salad or a side dish, try a soup recipe. 12. Ginger. Ginger is a staple Asian delight and is best known to ignite energy. Research has it, ginger improves blood circulation in the body and carries nutrients that boost energy. 13. Quinoa. Why quinoa? Because quinoa contains higher quality carbohydrates that ramp up energy. It packs a good quantity of fiber and protein, extending the energy boost. 14. Peanut butter. Peanut butter has protein and healthy fats which help keep you energized and control blood sugar levels. Spread a layer of peanut butter goodness on a banana or add a sprinkling of flax or chia seeds for Fiber Fest. 15. Walnuts. Walnuts have a good proportion of protein, omega-3, and healthy fats, which help maintain your energy levels. 16. Green tea. Due to its rich caffeine and L-theanine content, green tea bears a calming effect and relieves symptoms of anxiety, high blood pressure, and sleep disorders, hence adding to your energy levels holistically. 17. Tuna. Tuna contains lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, ingredients that help remedy energy deficiencies. It's full of iron, a component in hemoglobin that carries blood throughout the body and generates as much energy as you need. And that's a wrap to our list of superfoods that help you ride the energy wave. If you feel that you've missed out on any important food, send in your recommendations in the comments section below. Don't forget to tell us about our experience. Subscribe to our channel for such amazing videos and stay healthy and harmonious.